Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to I Square Math Academy, where numbers and variables actually meet mastery. Today, we are going to be looking at some questions on gradients. That is, gradient from equation of a line, and gradient when given 2 points. Yes, the first question here is WAEC 2025. Yes, one of the questions in the past, the recently completed WAEC Mathematics 2025, while the second one is NECO 2025, one of the questions as well. Now, let's look at the first one. Now, solution. Here, they gave us the line. They say, what is the gradient of the line? Now, the line is 7x minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, recall that the equation of a line, yes, the equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c. Yes, the equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c, where this m is called the gradient. Yes, m is the gradient or slope. Yes, now the c there is called the intercept. Yes, the c is called the intercept. Now, in this case, they gave us this. Now, remember I just mentioned that this is the equation of a line. Y is equal to mx plus c, where m is called the gradient and c the intercept. Now, looking at this equation, here we have 7x minus 5y is plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have to arrange it in this form. Yes, we have to arrange it in this form. Now, let's take this minus 5y to the other side and leave 7x plus 3 at the left-hand side. It means here we have 7x plus 3 is equal to, here we have 5y. Yes, because if you take minus 5y to the other side, it will change to plus 5y. Now, of course, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So it means we can also express this as 5y is equal to 7x plus 3. Yes. Now, if you look at this equation very well, you discover that here, there is no any value here, so no coefficient. So we have to remove this coefficient of y. Now, to remove this coefficient of y, we have to divide through by the coefficient, which is 5. So when you divide through by the coefficient 5, it means here we have 5y all over 5 will be equal to 7x all over 5 plus 3 all over 5. So here this 5 will go with this 5 and we'll be left with y. Yes, just y, just like you have it here, y. Y now will be equal to 7 all over 5x plus 3 all over 5. Now remember I told us that m is the gradient. Yes, m is the gradient. So you can either call it gradient or slope. Yes. So in this case now, if you look at this m now, the position of this m, that's where you have 7 all over 5. So it means here the gradient m from this equation here is 7 all over 5. And the intercept c, the position of the c here, that's where you have 3 all over 5. So our c is equal to 3 all over 5. So it means the gradient is 7 over 5 and c is 3 over 5. That's the intercept. So but in this case, in this particular question, we're asked to find the gradient. Yes, that is m. And the value of m is 7 over 5. So here they gave up options. Option number 1, option A is 7 over 5. Option B is 5 over 7. Option C is minus 5 over 7. Option D is minus 7 over 5. So it means the correct option here is option A, 7 all over 5. That is the gradient. Now let's look at the next question. Yes, NECO question number 25. Now, question 25, NECO 2025. Now here they said find the gradient of a line joining 2 points, joining the points A and B. Yes, A and B are 2 points. Yes, so now we want to get the gradient. Now, the gradient M, yes, is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Yes, this is the formula for calculating the gradient when you're given 2 points. Yes, y2 minus y1 all over x2 divided by x2 minus x1. So in this case, they gave us our x1. Yes, our x1 there is minus 5. Minus 5. And our y1 is 8. Yes, y1 is equal to 8. Now let's look at x2. Our x2 will be equal to 11. Our x2 is 11 and y2 will be equal to minus 2. Yes, we all know that x actually came before y. So here we have xy, xy. So in this case, now looking at this formula, the gradient m will be equal to, we said y2, and the value of our y2 is minus 2. So you pick it there. Minus 2. Then here we have minus, yes, minus, look at the minus here. Minus y1. And the value of our y1 is 8. So here we have 8. Now all over, we have x2. The value of our x2 is 11. So here we have 11 minus the value of x1. And our x1 is minus 5. So here we have minus 5. So it means here we have minus 2 minus 8 divided by 11 minus minus 5. So that will change to 11 plus 5. So it means the value of our m will be equal to minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. Yes, minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. All over, here we have 11 plus 5, and that will give us 16. Yes, now we have the numerator as an even number. The denominator is also an even number. So here it means 2 can go. So 2 into 10 is 5, and 2 into 16 is 8. So here the value of our m is minus 5 all over 8. So it means the gradient is equal to minus 5 all over 8. So here they also gave us options. Yes, they gave us option A to E. Option A, we have minus 8 all over 5. Not true. Option B, we have minus 5 all over 8. So it means this is the correct option. Thank you for listening, and God bless you.